Na gode sosai.
Sannu, na yi bi Salamatu?
Na mi.
Yauwa, welcome o kai sanninki da zuwa.
Na gode chief.
I've been seeing the letter where you send give us from your foundation, where you talk say you want come teach our women about breast cancer.
Yes, so chief, you go like do meeting with all the women wey dey this community. Make we tell them about serious matter wey concern their breast so that them go know wetin to dey check for their breast and the time wey them suppose go see doctor. E good make them detect this breast cancer very early, or make them even make sure say e no even start at all sef, because the thing na serious gbege o. You know say breast cancer na the most common type of cancer for Naija. On top that matter, we go do free screening and counseling for all the women wey dey this your community.
E good o, nice one. And you talk say all these things where you want do so na free.
Yes chief, this na our own contribution to help comot this cancer problem wey dey area.
Okay, I go follow the community leaders talk so that we go find way arrange all our women them for this meeting.
Thank you. Na gode sosai.
Thank you my daughter, na gode ko?
Medicated Cancer Foundation.
I hear say some people won't come they check our wife them breasts.
Hey! You mean say dem go come dey touch, dey press our wife breasts unto say dem dey find cancer? Na male abi na female doctor dem be?
How I won't take no. The only thing me I hear be say them go check breasts.
Dem no born any person to touch my wife breast. If I hear,
Why would they carry our own hand to take call devil come, eh? Now devil get cancer and we bind them in Jesus' name. Shikena.
Pastor, you no even need to talk too much. You don't tell where I don't dey mix concussion. No sickness there where I no pick cure. Wetin be breast cancer? All this oyibo go just dey carry big grammar, come dey fear person.
As I dey talk before, I come out just now. Go tell all the men make them release their wives, sisters and daughters to come meet Dr. Salamatu.
Chief, you need dey fear say those outsiders go dey touch our women breast? Most of us, in fact, all of us, this thing e no settle for our mind at all. E no pure.
Nobody dey touch anybody breast. Nobody. Dr. Salamatu no go fit do that kind thing. She na respectable woman and she sabi our culture. I know too sabi everything wey I go happen, but I dey sure say nothing like that go happen as I dey here so. Health na well. I want make our women go hear wetin those people want talk.
Sanu, una welcome. E good as una dey here today. E dey sweet me for belle to see say we dey take our health very serious. We wey be mama pikin, we need our body to dey kampe for sake of our family. Na wetin we wan discuss now so. How we go fit take care of our body and make sure say cancer no see our brake light. Symptoms of breast cancer: lump in the breast, nipple discharge, change in shape and size, inverted nipple, peeling, scaling and flaking on the skin, skin rashes. E dey very important for every woman to sabi these symptoms so that una go fit check una sef. To check for lumps, you go stand in front of mirror, soap go dey your hand, you go come dey move your hand like this, like this. Do the same thing for the other breast. You go need shine your eye to check whether your breast don change shape or size, or whether rashes on korokoro dey your breast, or if your nipples go don turn go inside, or dem dey comot some kind water. If you see any of these things, you go need to go see Nurse Mariam for the health center. She no go waste time help you.
Halima, my husband talk say make I no allow anybody to touch me. Na just food and giveaway na him I come collect. All these city people, dem dey like bring some goodies they come. I no mind collect that one. Make I collect.
Yes? Waiting o Aisha. This na better topic. Abeg, I no wan miss anything.
Sorry yo, serious student. You don't miss my gist, pa.
No worry, you go tell me again when doctor don finish. Make we no miss wetin she dey tell us.
No forget o, if you wan make sure say breast cancer no fit easily come meet you, or even if e come, you go know sharp make you treat am one time. You go need do these things. 1. Check your breast by yourself at least once a month to see how your breast dey for your eye and how you feel as you dey check them. Dey do am make e master you. Make you check your breast as your period don come finish every month. As na that time when your breast go like swell, come dey soft. 2, if you see any of the signs wey dey that poster, abeg make you go to primary health care. 3, keep this pamphlet wey I dey give you so. Make you put am for your mirror side inside your bedroom to remind you to dey check your breast and wetin you go dey check for.
I sure say person go get question.
Me, doctor, person fit get this cancer when she gets belle.
E no too dey common to hear say you don get this breast cancer when you get belle. Belle no dey cause breast cancer at all. But if you don already get some breast cancer cells for your breast, as you carry belle and the belle dey grow, na your body dey grow. Na so the cancer sef go dey grow. Make you make sure say you dey carry your hand dey check your breast yourself every time, even when you get belle.
Now for which age na in this cancer dey take start?
Breast cancer fit strike at any age although e dey common among ages of 45 and 50, especially if you get person for your family wey don get am. Remember, every woman need to dey active, dey check body well so that breast cancer no go easily show face. And no forget to check your breast every month. Now here we go stop today. I thank una well as una come this meeting. Make una help us go to tent where they outside. Some female health workers dey there where they handle una screening. Till next month. Thank you. I greet una.
Cancer Foundation, dedicated to you, Dr. Zainab Atiku Baguru.
Baba, Sanunku.
Sannu? Yaya Kasua?
Lafia Kalau.
How the meeting?
Baba, it go well. If you see as the place full, I sure say now all the women wey dey this community dey there. And them come give us all these goodies.
So, yawa. Woman, hope say nobody touch you.
Jealous man. Nobody touch your wife. Them teach us how to check our breast for breast cancer by ourselves. Take, you fit learn from this too.
Early detection saves lives. Medicated Cancer Foundation, dedicated to you, Dr. Zainab Atiku Baguru. Shinkafi. This is Royal Highness and Habiba Ermutan and Zuru. Mr. Kevs, what it do? Yeah.
Why you go live with disease for your body? Why you not take action for the matter? We anti-cancer, facing the cancer, killing the cancer, prevent you from the cancer. We are professional on this matter. That's what me had to say. Early detection save lives. Regular screening, regular